Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to knit this easy, uncomplicated stitch pattern that I personally think is perfect for baby blankets, pillowcases, cardigans and so many other cozy projects. The stitch creates a really beautiful texture and works up quickly. For the stitch you will need to cast on any number multiple of 10 plus 2 selvage stitches. So as an example, I cast on 22 stitches. I'm going to start with just simple ribbon knit 1 purl 1, so the number of rows can be different, just to see how it looks as a blanket or as a cardigan. So slip the first stitch, knit 1 purl 1. Knit 1 purl 1, knit 1 purl 1. And at the end, the last selvage stitch, we will always purl it. Please repeat a row number 1 2 or 4 times more. Knit 1 purl 1. Here I am, and the first row of the stitch, slip the first stitch, knit 6. Now skip 2 stitches, insert the needle between second and third stitch, yarn over, draw up a long loop, and then knit next 2 stitches together but through the back loop. And let's repeat. Skip next 2 stitches, insert the needle between the second and third stitches, draw up a long loop, and then knit 2 together through the back loop. And these 10 stitches we are going to repeat as many times as needed. Knit 6, now skip next 2 stitches, yarn over, draw up a long loop, knit 2 together through the back loop. Again, skip next 2 stitches, draw up a long loop, and then knit through the back, knit 2 together. And the last stitch, it is a selvage stitch, we purl it. Row number 2 and all even rows we are going to purl all stitches. Always purl. Purl, 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 and so on. Purl, great. Turn row number 3, slip the first stitch, now knit 5. Now again skip next 2 stitches, yarn over, draw up a loop, then knit 2 together through the back loop. Again skip next 2 stitches, draw up a loop, knit 2 together through the back loop, and then we have one more stitch we are going to purl it. Now let's repeat last 10 stitches as many times as needed. Knit 5, draw up a long loop, then knit 2 together. Again, draw up a long loop, knit 2 together. Then purl 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 4 will be the same as row number 2, purl all stitches. Row number 5, so I purled all stitches, look. Row number 5, slip the first stitch, knit 4 already. Skip next 2 stitches, draw up a loop, then knit 2 together, again skip, knit 2 together, and here we have 2 more stitches, so purl 2, 1, 2, and again let's repeat last 10 stitches as many times as needed. Knit 4, skip next 2 stitches, draw up a loop, knit 2 together, again skip, knit 2 together, purl 2, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 6, repeat row number 2, purl all stitches. Row number 7. So it is clear, now knit 3, skip next 2, draw up a loop, knit 2 together, again skip next 2, here now draw up a loop, then knit 2 together, and purl 3. Let's repeat. Knit 3. So it is very easy to remember the pattern, you don't need to look always. And purl 3. And at the end, selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 8, repeat and purl all stitches. Row number 9, slip the first stitch, knit 2. Skip next 2 stitches, draw up a loop, knit 2 together, again skip next 2 stitches, draw up a loop, knit 2 together, and then purl 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, let's repeat. Knit 2, skip next 2 stitches, knit 2 together, skip, knit 2 together, purl 4, and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 10, purl all stitches. Row number 11, 4 more rows, slip the first stitch, knit 1, then skip next 2 stitches, knit 2 together, skip, knit 2 together, and purl 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look. And let's repeat. Knit 1, skip, knit 2 together, skip, knit two together, and then purl 5. And purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 12, again purl all stitches. Row number 13, slip the first stitch, and right away we skip next 2 stitches. Yarn over, draw up a long loop, and then knit next 2 stitches together through the back loop, and repeat. Skip, draw up a loop, knit 2 together through the back loop, and purl 6. Again, skip next 2 stitches, draw up a long loop, then knit 2 together through the back loop, and repeat. Knit 2 together through the back loop, and purl 6. Purl the last selvage stitch as well. Turn row number 14, purl all stitches, and look at this beautiful stitch. If you're wondering, here I am using Caron Simply Soft yarn, and this blue color, I like how it looks. Now you start repeating the pattern from the first row, slip the first stitch, knit 6, skip next 2 stitches, knit 2 together through the back loop, again skip next 2 stitches, knit 2 together through the back loop, and so on. Go on repeating last 14 rows. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video. If you are looking for a written instruction, you can find it on my blog. Please check the link in the description box.